Top 20 life insurance questions in the U.S. Number 13, do I need life insurance for mortgage? The answer is no. You don't need life insurance for the mortgage. You do have to have homeowners insurance, but insurance for your mortgage, you don't have to have it. I highly recommend it, especially since if you went through all the hassle of coming up with the down payments, going through the brokers, going through the agents, looking at all the houses, building a home. I highly recommend that you have it. The average age of a first-time home buyer in the U.S. is 40 years old, which is insane. I'm not sure what's going on in the country, but I think that should be something that needs to be addressed. But the average first-time home is averaging around $300,000 in the United States currently. So there's a couple options. One, you can get a term policy, which would cover the cost of the mortgage if something were to happen to you, right? And this would go directly to your beneficiary. The other one is a mortgage protection, where it goes directly to the lender. My recommendation is to get a term policy. They're less expensive. It goes directly to your beneficiary. If there's any extra, they get to keep it. And let's take a look at some prices here, if you don't mind. So the average age is 40 years old, and we're going to do quotes for a 40-year-old male and a 40-year-old female, even though the average difference in ages is about 3 years older for the male, 3 years younger for the female as far as the coupling. But this is a 40-year-old male for $300,000, first-time home, 30-year coverage, and we're going to get a price for that. This is assuming that they're in excellent health. It is $31.98 a month, which I think is an absolute bargain, especially to protect all of the interest and all of the equity in your home. $31.98 for a 40-year-old male in excellent health condition. Now, for a 30-year policy for a 40-year-old male or female, she's female. She is a female. 40 years old in excellent health. The state really doesn't matter that much. They're the same. 30-year policy to cover the cost of the first-time home would be $25.63. So you're looking at what is it, 57.61 to have both the husband and wife covered in the event of something to happen to them, to cover the cost of the house. So I highly recommend it. Term policies are so inexpensive and they cover so much. You can get a quote within seconds. You can get a policy within an hour. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I will include a link to my personal page here, which goes to Banner Life. And feel free to contact me, text, call, email, whatever you need to do. All right. Have a fantastic day.